Today I'll show you how to make a inverter. You can see the circuit. In the circuit you can see that we need a transformer here. This transformer I took out from an old cell phone charger. You can get it from any cell phone. You can see there are 6 pins and the resistance between each of them are different. So first we need to check the resistances. First set the multimeter to 2000 ohms. Then just check the resistance between each pair. First between these two pairs you can see the resistance is 1 ohm. Then the other two, this is also 1 ohm, and the last one you can see it's around 8 ohms. The highest resistance pin is the output pin. You can see these two here is the input, these two is the driver, and this is the output. Now just compare it with my circuit. You can see that the left pins are the input pins, which is resistance of which is 0.01 ohm. The bottom right pin is the driver, which is also 1 ohm, and the output is 8 ohm pin. I added a diode so that I could get DC instead of AC. Now this is a transistor which I use. Any NPN but powerful transistor is used in this. I am using a D882P. You can see this transistor. Now this is the finished circuit on breadboard. You can also solder it, but I choose breadboard. Now you can see I added a bulb holder, and this is the battery. Two batteries. I have used 2 batteries, each of 6 volts, and the total voltage of both of them should be around 10 volts, and it's 8.4 volts. That means my circuit is powered by 8.4 volts. You can power it by 12 volts if you want better, but I am using 8.4 volts, whatever. Now just power the circuit with the battery, and to test if the inverter is working I'll be using this LED bulb. You can see, oh, it doesn't work. Just check the connections. I got it. The holder wire was loose. It's still loose, sorry for that, but whatever, your inverter works. If you will solder it, this problem will not arise. So this can deliver a few watts. This inverter works with just oscillations created by the transistor, which results in a AC voltage, and the peak to peak voltage of this inverter is around 300 volts. So please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.